Dash cams have become one of the most important gadgets for drivers today, whether it's for extra security, capturing accidents, or even recording scenic road trips. The right dash cam can make a huge difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon right now in 2025. These are the best sellers packed with features like 4K video, night vision, Wi-Fi, parking mode, and more. So let's dive in. Number 5. GKU 4K Dash Cam. Starting off at number 5, we have the GKU 4K Dash Cam. This one shot up the charts recently thanks to an incredible price drop, and it's now one of the hottest sellers on Amazon. For around £55, you're getting true 4K front recording with 1080p rear coverage, a wide-angle lens, and WDR night vision for clear footage even in low light. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi, a G sensor for impact detection, and 24-hour parking mode, plus a 64GB SD card is already in the box. It's a budget-friendly option with premium features, perfect if you're just getting started with dash cams. At number 4, we have a 3-channel dash cam setup that records the front, the rear, and inside your car at the same time. That makes it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants maximum coverage. You get full HD 1080p recording on all 3 lenses, HDR night vision, loop recording, and of course a G sensor for emergencies. It also has a built-in parking monitor, so you're covered whether you're driving or parked. For all-around protection, this 3-cam setup is hard to beat at its price point. Coming in at number 3 is the REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. This is a stylish upgrade with a 3.1-inch touchscreen and voice control, which makes it super easy to use while driving. It records in crisp 4K quality, has Wi-Fi and GPS built in, and uses the new STARVIS 2 sensor for even better low-light performance. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, transferring footage to your phone is faster than ever. If you like modern design, touch controls, and advanced tech, the F7N Touch is a great pick. At number 2, we've got the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. This model is loved by thousands of drivers and has become an Amazon favorite. You get 4K recording on the front camera and full HD on the rear, powered by the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor for sharp and colorful footage, even at night. What makes it stand out is the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which gives you blazing fast downloads to your phone at up to 20 MB per second. Plus, it comes with a 128GB memory card included, so you don't need to buy extra storage. With GPS parking mode and a 3-inch screen, the ROVE R2-4K offers incredible value. And finally, at number 1, we have the REDTIGER F7N front and rear dash cam. This is currently Amazon's number 1 best-selling dash cam, and for good reason. It records in stunning 4K front and 2.5K rear, has a 170-degree wide view, and includes features like Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, night vision, WDR technology, and a parking monitor. It even comes with a 32GB memory card to get you started. Thousands of drivers trust this model for its reliability, image quality, and strong feature set. If you want the safest all-around choice, the REDTIGER F7N is hard to beat. So there you have it, our top 5 best dash cams on Amazon for 2025. From budget options like the GKU 4K to feature-packed models like the REDTIGER F7N, there's something here for every type of driver. Links to all the dash cams are in the description below if you want to check them out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.